Hey you, do you know Amazon can pay you up to $6,000 per month with just a smartphone, a laptop, and a stable internet connection? Let me show you how. So the first thing you want to do is to head onto your browser and search Amazon Associates. So once you search it, you're going to see the first URL here, amazon.com. So you click on it. So it will take you to this page whereby you're going to sign up. So once you click on sign up, it's going to prompt you to enter your email address and create a password. So once you log into Amazon dashboard, you're going to see different products at amazon.com, different products that you can promote. So you can sell as many products as you want to make as much profit as you want from here. So you can scroll and see different products here that you want to promote and make your money from it. And there's no limit to the number of products you can promote. So you can promote as many numbers as you want in a single day to make the number of money you want in a day. So let's try to promote electronics. Okay, so if you scroll through here, you're going to see different electronics products here that you can promote to make your money. Let's try to promote the first product here, which is Apple iPods Pro, second generation. So once you click on it, it's going to pop up and then you're going to save this image here because you're going to be needing the image for your promotion to drive traffic to Amazon for you to get your commissions. And then also you're going to see the description of the products from here. So you're also going to be needing the description. So once you click on it and it opens, if you look up here, you see where they say get link, and then you click on text there, your links is going to pop up. So this particular link is very, very important. You're going to click on this link and then copy it. So you copy this link, you're going to be needing it to drive traffic to Amazon so that whatever product is bought from here, you get your commission from it. So the last thing you're going to do is to head on to Pinterest. If you don't have a Pinterest account, you can sign up for free. Pinterest is totally free. You can sign up to Pinterest, and once you sign up, you log in. And once you log in, you're going to see this plus icon down here, which is create. You hit on it and it's going to pop up options for you. So you hit on idea pin, you click on idea pin, and then you select the image that you saved from Amazon of the product you want to promote. So you hit on this image and then you click on next. So once you click on next here, you can add different things to the image. You can make different clips, text, music, audio, whatever you want to add, and then you click on next. So very importantly, you see you're going to add the title and then a little description of the product, and then much more important is the add link. So on this add link is very, very important. Take note of it because it's the link that you got from Amazon that you're going to be sending traffic from Pinterest to Amazon. And when you get a buyer, you're going to get your commission based on this link that you pasted here. So you're going to add the link from Amazon and then you paste it. So this is your affiliate link. And then the next thing you want to add is the title. iPhone AirPod Pro, and then the little description of this product. Enter the description of the product that your buyers can see. So once you enter the description and then most importantly the link, you hit on publish and you see that your product is being published and it's live on Pinterest. If you like this video, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on all our social media handles at I Freelance to get more video tutorials on how to market any product at all with the different marketing strategies we have put in place for you on this channel. Thank you and see you in the next video. Bye.